Are you having difficulty in sleep or you want to sleep deeply? So I got you. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you tips that can help you to sleep faster and deeply. So make sure you watch this video completely up to the end. Many things can interfere with your sleep, from work stress, family responsibilities to illness. But don't forget that having a quality sleep is good for your overall health. So that is why all these tips that we are going to share in this video, it will be helpful for you even if you are not having a difficulty to sleep easily. So make sure you watch this video completely up to the end. So before we begin the video, if this is the first time you are watching our videos, I would like you to subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on notification bell so that you will be notified whenever we drop something new on this YouTube channel. Now without any further ado, let's get into detail. Hello friends, welcome to International Medical TV. In this video, I will be sharing with you 6 proven tips that can help you to sleep better and easily, like I said in the introduction. So make sure you watch it completely up to the end. So the first one is don't change your sleep schedule. The recommended amount of sleep for a healthy person should not be more than 7 to 8 hours. So you don't need to sleep for more than 8 hours because it is a negative health effect and it can affect your health. So if you want to achieve quality sleep and you want to sleep deeply and easily, you have to go to the bed and get up at the same time every day, including even in the weekend. Being consistent to your sleep schedule, it will reinforce your body's sleep-wake-up cycle. And if you lie on the bed and you fail to sleep for about 20 minutes, you have to wake up and go and do a physical activity like jogging or running or walking. And I'm sure after this, it will help you to sleep easily and deeply. Tip number 2 is pay attention to what you eat or what you drink. So don't go to bed if you are hungry. Also avoid taking a large amount of meal within a couple of hours that you are going to do your sleep. Also avoid taking a caffeine, nicotine, and the alcohol. Even so, alcohol it can help you to sleep easily, but later it will affect your sleep. What I mean is it will interfere with your sleep. So that is why you should not be taking any kind of food that contains such ingredient. Tips number 3 is create a restful sleep environment. So if you want to sleep better and easily, so you have to make your room dark and cool. Also avoid exposure to any kind of noise that may interfere with your sleep, either through a window or through your TV that can make you a difficulty to sleep. Tips number 4 is avoid doing a daytime nap. You know, limiting a daytime nap, it is good for you if you want to sleep easily and deeply because this can interfere with your sleep. Even if you are part of daytime nap, so I'm recommending you you shall not be doing a daytime nap for more than 1 hour. If you want to sleep better and easily, so that is why you have to do so. Tips number 5 is do physical activity. So if you want to sleep better and easily, so you should be doing a physical activity like swimming, bicycling, running, jogging, or anything that can make your body to release endorphin and serotonin. This will help you to sleep better and easily.